Okay, got the case off the mill. Bam. Okay, now we got to clean up the motor mount hole here. So we use our hand drill to do that. So if you drill right through the top right here, you got a straight shot right out the bottom. And come out perfectly centered on the other side. If you try to drill it this way, it's going to walk all over the place and go off center, be all screwed up. We're basically using this hole as a drill jig. So, let's figure out what size hole goes in there. We know a 3/8 bolt goes in there, but what size is the actual hole? Even 3/8 doesn't want to go in there. So holes are mashed from the bolts being torqued on them. Usually go 64th bigger than whatever the drill hole is. So this one does not want to go in there. We'll use a reamer for that job. Drills tend to dig in, cause issues. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. Good. Try to put your hand in front of the drill bit. It's not a safe place to be. You can hold it over here, or way in the back, because you want to push straight, possibly. About a half inch to go yet. Time for a slight amount of oil. Mess. Starting to go through now, so you slow down the feed rate. There he goes. So the reamer. Okay, one size bigger than 3/8. So the bolt holes are going easy. The bolts, probably bigger than that, maybe. Yeah. Maybe, but not right now. Usually a 30-second is too much on a lot of these jobs. So I just wobble the reamer around when it's in the hole here like this. Just polish it out a little bit bigger if it needs to be, whatever the original hole was. Alright. That was a lot tighter than that one. There you go, nothing to it. Just deburr the top for our holes. Usually just use a round rotary burr. This is a 5/8 burr. First get on the big holes. Keep the RPM down. Chamfer slightly, not too heavy. Come over here and do the same thing on this side. have to run the reamer in those two. That hole's all screwed up. That one's still got a washer stuffed in it. That hole's way out of round. Yeah, I think they want to put a 3/8 bolt in that hole originally. It's more rounded now. It's pretty uneven hole. Who knows what it's supposed to be. Smooth it out a little bit. Alright, that should take care of it. Easy peasy. There you go. Even looks almost round. Two bottom ones down there. So this hole's been welded up and way out of round. See where I cut a lot of metal out right here where my fingertip is. That hole's not round at all. And there you go. So I can do is come in here and hand blend this in right through here, take this nut out, radius that up into there to make it look clean, and we should be good. And I'll blend it right over here too. Call it done. You can see I cut a bunch of metal off the case here. There's excess metal you didn't need. Came across there too. They're just castings, so they're not square or straight. Alright, a little hand grinding, blasting, we'll be done with it. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. So the case has been ground, bead blasted and cleaned a couple times. So there's the repair. Got one piece of porosity right there, don't look too good. Oh well. Here's what it is. I got a lot more area over here than what Harley came with. So I filled it up about this much further than what they did. So it gives me some area to seal against. Not seal, but bolt against. You can see how thin they make their cases here. I don't like that. So more surface area, better. I also went up and got a couple dowel pins. So these are the 358 Harley dowel pin. So that replaces the one that was bad. So there you go. So I tap that into the cam cover also. So we'll go ahead and get a couple of these things done. Do a quick mock up in the motor and see how the cylinders and stuff fit. A lot of noise outside there at the restaurant. They got a lot of meat noise and meat blast in the cases also. Payback. Alright, there's the new dowel. There's the old one. I'll put the new one up on top. And that's going in pretty hard. That one's in there pretty good. Leave it up slightly higher so I got something to bite onto to get out again if I need to. If it sticks up high enough to actually get on the cover, it helps the cover actually center too. So a couple of things to be had by having it up a little bit. Okay, that's that side. See how these bolt back together. Got clearance in the big case lip there now, the dowel. Not much this way, but quite a bit up and down. Now it's all been cleaned. It's got clearance in it now. Disadvantage of cleaning this stuff. for a couple washers. Okay. All right. See how close they repeated. And that side you can't tell. This side you can tell the difference by feeling on it. Get a nice straight edge right there. Pretty good. You can feel slight something in there, but it's definitely under 2 thou. It's probably 1 thou to 2 thou air total. So that's pretty tight. Way better than it was. Door's heavy. Alright, that's pretty good actually, so I'm good with that. I can live with that. Still a little snug. Socket fits over here a lot better now to cut that weld out of there. Fits in there nicely now, see, nice and loose. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's go over here and see how things bolt together. Or at least fit together. So that is actually a motor stand right here. It doesn't move. Pretty good. Need some bolts. Any bolts? I got access to my drawer, it's kind of blocked right now. Yeah. Tight quarters over there. Got a bike hanging over there in the way. Alright, let me find some bolts. I'll be right back.